During the current financial crisis going on in the world, finding a job is becoming hard every day. If you want to become your own boss and work from anywhere you want on this planet, I have a surprise for you. I have an amazing way to make money online during hard times in a simple way. It does not matter if you have never tried to make money online before, as I will be sharing a step-by-step process on how you can start making thousands of dollars from the comfort of your home. I'll be honest, when I first found out about these apps paying you money for free, I was a little skeptical. But as time went on, I was just in awe. I have never seen anything like this before. In my opinion, this is the fastest and easiest way to make money online. Today, I'll be sharing how to make hundreds of dollars every single day using the apps I'll be demonstrating. You heard me right, you will be making $800 every hour using these new apps. This method is a little typical than others, but with a little hard work, you will get your first paycheck in a couple hours from now. Just make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Now it's time to share the first app that works worldwide and pays you hundreds of dollars every day. The name of this app is Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my money crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. Now, without a further ado, it's time to visit our first app that is going to help you make loads of money online. The name of this app is adwallet.com. On this app, you will get paid for watching videos and ads from brands. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and will pay you up to $3. You will be earning a minimum of 50 cents per ad you watch. You can even make more money by referring your friends to this platform. The second your balance hits $10, you can easily withdraw your earnings. As you can see here, they have paid over $1 million to people from all around the world. All you gotta do is sign up on their website and start watching ads from your favorite brands to make some quick cash. Now, before I move on to the next app, I want my money crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Now, the next app on my list here is Cash Karma. On this website, you can earn rewards by completing simple surveys. This is the only reward app that lets you earn rewards even if you don't qualify for the survey. You even get 300 points for just downloading the app on your phone. This app is available for both Android and iOS devices, so all of you guys can start making money today. Over 1 million people are already using this app and earning money every day. Just like the last app, you can also make money by referring your friends to this app. The best part about this app is that they pay you extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges. You can earn up to a 12.5% bonus each time you complete an offer. After you have collected sufficient points, you can directly withdraw them to your PayPal account or even redeem an Amazon gift card. Download this app on your phone today and sign up for a new account to start making money. This is a completely legitimate app and has been personally tested by me. After you create an account on this app, you will immediately be able to fill in surveys listed on their app and start making money. The next app that I'm going to show you now is called Get Paid To. You can join and create an account for free on this website. This app offers a lot of ways to make money online. You can fill surveys to make money, you can earn by playing games on their platform, you can complete quick tasks to get more points, and even complete online offers to make even more money. Now, how does it work? First of all, you start doing any of the tasks I mentioned and start earning points. For every 5,000 points earned, you get $1. After you have made enough money, you can withdraw your earnings instantly for cash, crypto, or gift cards. If you scroll down a little on their website, you see all the games that are available for playing. You can even look at the high-paying surveys and other tasks that you can complete to earn more cash. I have a secret insider news that they are closing their signups pretty soon, so don't waste any minute and go sign up on their platform right now. I am so excited for you guys to try out these new apps and start making money. Now for my money crushers, who always want more out of everything. Here is a secret tip for you. Before that, I want you to comment down below, OG Money Crusher, so that I can prioritize you guys for my giveaway. Now here is my secret tip. You can sign up with multiple accounts on these apps so that you double or even triple your earnings. Just make another account with your friend's email and make twice the amount you would have originally. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.